Hello guys, it's been 2 years since I uploaded a video, but now I'm coming back for just a short update. It's November 2020 now. A lot of things happened already na talagang na-shock ang buong mundo because of COVID-19 pandemic. Lifestyle were changed, a lot of things changed as if like huminto yung galaw ng mundo at ng mga tao for a certain period of time. Here in the Philippines, we're practicing the new normal also, where people wear face mask all the time when going out, face shield, and of course, yung dating hindi ka naman panay hugas ng kamay, ngayon, konting dikit-dikit lang sa kung saan, mapapa-alcohol ka na. So this video is all about traveling home to province under the new normal scheme and quarantine guidelines. I will be showing you guys some of the clips for domestic travel only. This flight is from Metro Manila to Puerto Princesa City, Palawan.
We're now here sa NAIA Terminal 2, and there are still people pa rin naman na nagto-travel by air. Though compared before sa mga nagpiprint na kanilang airline tickets, nowadays meron pang ibang travel documents needed. I-check yun ng guard upon entry and ng airline personnel before proceeding for check-in and bag drop. So make sure na ready lang din yung mga soft and hard copies niyo. Shoutout sa kapatid ko na nag-ayos ng travel documents namin and for being ever ready.
A few moments later. A few inches later.
Dito po tayo sa Pinasa, first and second row ha. Ito po yung pila natin. Dito sa kabila po, puro LSI lang. Maraming salamat po.
Alright, nakarating na rin kami sa wakas sa room. Kapag-settle down na rin. Pero hindi ko muna tinanggal yung mask ko. Mamaya na lang kapag nag-wash up na. And time check ngayong gabi ay 6 PM na. Lumapag yung plane namin around 2:30 sa PPC International Airport. And nakita niyo naman kanina yung mga clips na mga process na ginawa. The advice lang that I could give, yun nga, kung hindi naman talaga necessary ang mag-travel, medyo talagang hassle ang pagta-travel ngayon. Mahirap at nakakapagod. So, yun lang, travel-wise. And mas maganda na if uuwi tayo sa mga probinsya natin, yung medyo mahaba-haba para sulit yung mga inayos nating documents sa pagpunta at saka pag-uwi naman pabalik. So, yun lang. Again, stay healthy, everyone. Keep our faith. Dahil mabuti pa rin ang Diyos sa lahat. And of course, let us all stay well. And day 1 na namin na quarantine bukas. Maging maayos lahat. At see you sa next vlog.